name is Madilyn.
And I'm Maya, Winton School. I'm Hunter. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rahina, the 24th of November.
Alright, it's Rahina, so we now it's tidiest class for the week and last pizza award competition for 2014.
So pizza drum roll please for
rooms 12 and 13. It's anyone's prize to win, so keep up the good work, Winton School.
Okay, let's get into Te Kupu o Te Wiki.
This week's word is paramata, which is Te Reo for Parliament.
Parimata, kia ora.
School magazine news. You had no meeting today. Thank you.
And please can the Techie Team meet in room 9 at interval. Thank you.
Hi, there's Bess. Keep wearing them to and from school. Hats at playtimes and lunchtimes too, thanks.
And a reminder for your 5 to 8 students who are allowed to play on the field across the road at break time.
You must make sure you cross the road safely at the pedestrian crossing. Kia ora.
Okay, if you miss any notices, you can play the news again or you can read the notices in the text box below.
Hello. And year 5 and 6 manual, you have 2 games tomorrow night and a practice tomorrow. Thank you.
Bike and school news. A reminder to walk your vehicles through the school grounds.
And that's walking them before and after school through school. Thank you.
Winton's Got Talent news. A reminder to all finalists that you have a dress rehearsal tomorrow after lunch in the hall.
And if you haven't picked up an information sheet about the big night, please see Mr. Wadsworth. Thank you.
A big day for Matthew Gill, turning the big 9.
Happy birthday, Matthew. Have a great day.
Okay, that's all for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kitea popo.
Haere rā, Winton School.